Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Make for automations. So we're going to head over make.com and then we're going to open up an account within the platform. So for those who doesn't know what is make.com, it is going to be a platform that is going to be specialized for webhooks, connection between platforms, websites, and also service providers. Also, it is going to be well known for creating automations and also workflows. So it is going to be nearly like N8N and also the specific automation creators like Zapier and etc. So we're going to have here the dashboard, as you can see. Now, what are we going to do basically is to have the availability to create an automation. We need to create some connection between the platforms that we are going to be interested in creating the automations in. So, for example, we can go ahead and head over the connections. Click on connections. And if you are not going to be heading over connections and you're going to be here a new, let's say here, individual that will visit make.com, you can go ahead and visit the templates. So in here, you can integrate your team, the whole team. You can go ahead and integrate them right there, for example, in here, and then you can go ahead and organize the work from it. So let's go back to the templates. We have the public templates and we have the team templates. So we are going to head over the public templates. Here, as you can see, for the team templates, we do not have the right license or the plan that will allow us to visit these team templates, but we can go ahead and see the public templates for the free version. Now, as you can see, we can have a lot of public templates. Some of them are going to be related, for example, to create from the chat GPTs. As you can see here, this was a generate ChatGPT completion from Google Sheets rows. So we are going to allow ChatGPT to read the file or automate let's say here, ChatGPT to have a file from Google Doc or whatever platform, and you're going to make the make.com, also the platform, a in between, let's say here, software or in between platform that will allow or will ease the reading of the documents. So it is going to complete and let know the ChatGPT what to do exactly. So that is going to be here a sort of a prompt to ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about something else. As you can see here, we have also synchronized Facebook leads, lead ads, leads with Google Sheets. So basically, are going to have the informations about the Facebook leads that you have made from the ads into a Google Sheet. So you're going to have a streamline to your lead management and etc. We have from the most simplest tasks to the most advanced tasks. So it is not going to be only for beginners. It is going to be only also for the advanced settings. Let's say here, as you can see, we have summarize emails with Gmail and OpenAI, then send it on Slack. So if you have here a team on Slack, for example, and you want to have that team to read up or have summarized emails, and these emails are going to be basically here on the specific, let's say, right there, the most important emails are going to be summarized. And also, the content of the emails are going to be interpreted by the Slack team. So, the ChatGPT and also the OpenAI or the OpenAI is going to have here the crucial parts from the emails, and they are going to summarize them onto, maybe you are going to have here a long email of, I don't know, here 100 lines, but the most important part is going to be 2 or 3 lines, so it is going to summarize that. Now, I think that you've got the point in here, so you can go ahead and use make.com to post content on social media. As you can see here, post a new Discord message on Telegram, Instagram, or whatever. Also, it is going to be well known for be used on Notion, and then you can go ahead and have them right there. So let's talk about the connection. So if you are going to create or have a connection in here, you can go ahead and create a new connection by setting up maybe these scenarios. So the scenarios are going to be the let's say here are the workflows. So you can go ahead and create a scenario, and then you're going to have an action and a trigger. So for example, you're going to have here a trigger like maybe receiving an email or having an email just like that. So you can go ahead and have a watch emails. And these emails, for example, for Gmail, you can go ahead and have them like that. So you need to create a connection between the Google account that you have, and it is going to be very simple. So you can go ahead and add another module or another node. You can go ahead and call it like that, and then you're going to have the scenarios. So you're going to have the action. Maybe these emails we're going to need the help of the open AI, for example, message and assistant, or transfer text to structured data, analyze images, or analyze a text, do whatever you want. And then you're going to have it just like this. So this tool, as you can see, or this workflow is going to be very util for you, also useful. So you can go ahead and have the saving option, show also some scenarios inputs, scenario settings, and etc. Basically, it is going to be very simple to use and also very, let's say here, dependent on the specific task that you have. So you can go ahead and set up any task that you want and set up the integration and the connection between the platforms. Also, for the webhooks, you can go ahead and have here webhooks. You can open up the scenario builder and then you can go ahead and have some webhooks. So everything is going to be dependent on the specific scenario builder, as you can saw in here. So it is going to open up also the scenario. You can have here create or have some built-in, as you can see here, apps or built-in platforms. Then you're going to have them just like that. So you can go ahead and integrate this AP or the specific platform within keys of APIs. You can go ahead and use them right there to integrate into other platforms or external platforms, and then you're going to have them just like that. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.